My 22-ton Dirty Hand Tools log splitter arrived today. It's right there inside the crate. On the way home, I picked up some hydraulic fluid and motor oil to get it all juiced up and ready to go. And here we are. Partially unpacked the boxes, or the big box. We got the tires, the little box that has various parts, the hubcaps, looks like the jack stand release, and then the nuts and bolts, and then a big flat box that has the log catcher or log tray on there. We're gonna pull it out of the crate right now. All right, next we're gonna take out the trailer tongue. It's strapped in with zip ties. Pop those off. Alright, now I've got the tongue installed. I'm going to go ahead and jack it up and put the wheels on. Tighten down the axle nut. This is out of the way. And be a little tight. Just tighten this up a little bit and back it off. And now we're ready for the cotter pin to go in, and we'll bend that with a tool that I don't have right here. And get the cotter pin secured. And then install the cap to the hub. And then we're going to rinse and repeat for the other side. Alright, now we have to get out the cross beam and the hydraulic cylinder. They have it screwed down to the case right here. It's already loose. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out. We're going to have to take the case apart to get it out. And the other bolt. Okay, I've got used the shop crane to mount the I-beam on there. I didn't shoot video of doing that because it took everybody we had to get this on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the bolts in here and here. I went ahead and put these brackets on here before I set the I-beam down, and they come in the box. And I went ahead and stuck those on there, put the I-beam on top, and now I'm going to tighten it down. Okay, we've got all the mounting screws in. Now we're going to tighten them down. Okay, now I've attached the hydraulic hoses. The hose that goes out goes back and down to the filter. The input hose out of the pump goes in the bottom, just like that. We'll tighten these down, and next I'll connect the lever here, add the juice, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, man, we got all the vital juices put into it, and we're ready for the first start. I've already put fuel in it. So, let's see. I believe that's the fuel on, that's the choke on, and there's the throttle. We'll turn the ignition on. First pull. Can't beat that. do a ton. Dirty hand tools. Fuck yeah. Now in horizontal giant toes. Gamble actually. All right, it's about a week later. My dirty hand tools splitter has been working flawlessly so far. I split about 5 hours, and then I changed the oil, put in the synthetic oil. The motor seems to be running perfectly, no problems there. I switched around the tray that came with it. Instead of having it on this side to catch the logs, I put it on the side of the operator. And then I built this tray right here to fit on, and it actually covers the motor and everything. And I hand my camera off. And I welded a few little inserts on there so I can just slide the tray in and put a little pin. In the tray. Yeah, I have a better platform to work on, and protects the engine as well.